welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see in the title down below, we are going to be doing another makeup look. So this makeup look is a cherry bomb makeup look. So bago tayo mag-proceed sa makeup look is minagpadala na naman ulit sa akin ng ear package from Retro Beauty. And ito siya guys. Super ganda ng box guys. And let's open it. Ayan siya guys. Na-open ko na to and nakagawa na ako ng swatch party ko sa IGTV. So if you want to watch my swatches with Retro Beauty, you can watch this on my IGTV on Instagram. And ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung Instagram account ko para makita niyo yung mga swatches nitong mga Lippies. So, ito siya. May card from Retro Beauty. Ay pangalan ko. And they also choose me as their brand ambassador. And thank you, Retro Beauty. So, ito siya guys. Yung gel tints nila, HD matte tints, and soft matte creams. So, ayun. Papakita ko sa inyo yung packaging na. Ito yung wait, ayaw mag-focus. Ito yung soft matte creams nila. Ito naman yung HD tints. And their gel tints. Super cute and super ganda ng packaging ng Retro Beauty. And also, super bango na itong mga Lippies. And it is paraben free and cruelty free. So, kaya safe siya gamitin. And also, ang local products. So, itong soft matte creams ay may 5 shades. Ito siya guys is, yung mga shades niya is inspired by a 90s music I guess. And, ay siya like this. Hindi ko lang po 90s ewan. May dancing queen. Ever after. Time after time. Wait. Borderline. And yung isa is yung nakalimutan ko na naman. Bad talaga ako sa memorizing guys. And ito yan. Soft matte creams nila is yung like matte lipstick. Ito siya guys. Lalagay ko na lang yung mga price sa description box below. Ito guys is super affordable. Affordable lang ito mga to. And ito namang gel tints nila ay may 7 shades. And ito siya guys. Ang mga shades niya is Material Girl, Like a Virgin, Girl Gone Wild, Telephone, La Isla Bonita, Into the Groove, Vogue, and the Black. Ito siya guys. 7 shades. And yung unique ng mga shade names nila guys comes. Super ganda. And yung HD matte tints nila ay may 5 shades. Itong HD matte tints guys, yung namit ko, grabe, sobrang hirap tanggalin sa sobrang pigmented na. Kaya super ganda. So, you might try this. And ito yung HD matte tints nila guys. And in the shade September, Believe, Take On Me, Together Forever, and Radio Gaga. Nung nag-swatch party ako guys, nahihirapan talaga ako sa pagtanggal ng HD matte. Sobrang hindi ko piro ang mag-swatch party guys. Kasi, lalo na kung ganito guys, super pigmented. Hirap talaga mag-swatch. Pero, it's super pretty guys. So, thank you for this, Retro Beauty, for sending me this. And I'm so thankful for having me as your brand ambassador. So, thank you. Now, let's proceed now to my makeup. Bago ako mag-makeup is mag-cleanse muna ako ng face using this Garnier Miscelar Cleansing Water. Yan. Konti na lang siya dahil super favorite ko itong Miscelar water guys. Para matanggal lang yung mga dirt sa skin ko bago tayo mag-makeup. Next is, mag-spray ako nitong favorite kong face mist na konti na lang din dahil super favorite ko to. And it's also my skincare. Ito yung Fresh Skinlab Tomato Glass Skin Face and Body Mist. Super ganda. na gagawin ko guys is maglalagay na ako ng sunscreen. Kahit nasa bahay lang kayo guys, is importante na mag-sunscreen kayo dahil yung mga radiation guys. So, gagamit din ako ng Garnier Light Complete White Skin. So, ito siya guys. Moisturizer na rin ito kasi guys. So, importante na mag-sunscreen kayo kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. Kahit kayo lumalabas. Bawal lumabas. After ko mag-sunscreen is maglalagay lang ako ng primer. I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Baby Skin Pore Eraser. So is maglalagay lang ako ng foundation and I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Bikini and I'm in the shade 228 Soft Top. And maglalagay na ako guys ng concealer. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and in the shade Dirty Honey. Konti na lang din siya. So, ang dami ni concealer, by the way guys, gagamitin ko itong Retro Beauty Soft Matte Cream guys. And this soft matte cream pala nila guys is a multi-purpose. You can use it in your cheeks, in your eyes, and of course to your lips. So, gagamitin ko siya for my cheeks and I'm going to use this shade, this Dancing Queen shade. And saset ko lang yung face ko guys using this Lamello Setting Powder. And yes, lagi na siya nakikita sa mga previous vlogs ko. After that, magkikilay na ako guys. I'm using this Detail Makeover Eyebrow Pencil. And ito bang shade ito? In the shade brown. And I will be back. So, ayun guys, I'm done with my eyebrows. So, mag-proceed na ako guys. So, eyeshadow ko. So, yung eyeshadow na gagawin ko guys is red. Because it's cherry bomb. So, eyeshadow tayo ng red. Red. Start muna ako sa nude color. Start ako sa kulay na ito. maglalagay ako ng concealer dito guys. Ano ito? Ito dito. So, lalagay ako dito ng concealer. I'm going to use this Miscelar mini concealer in the shade 03 Nature. So, I'm done with my eyeshadow. And mukhang red naman siya. And magsaset lang ulit ako ng face. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Smooth Eyeliner. And ubos na siya. Puro ubos na rin. Naginisin ko lang yung palette. Eyeliner na po guys. I'm going to use this Beauty Glaze eyeliner. I'm done with my eyeliner. Maglalagay na ako ng falsies guys. And I will be back. So, makapaglagay na ako ng falsies guys. Ayan siya. And maglalagay ulit ako ng blush. Para kapatulong ko lang ito ng blush. Para magpula pa siya. Para catcher with me. And I'm going to use this Caroline All Control Blush in the shade Red Velvet. And magko-contour na ako guys using this CB Advanced Contour Palette. Bago tayo mag-highlight, mag-spray muna ako ng face mist. And ang gagamitin ng pang-highlight guys, itong Play Color Eyes Shadow Palette ko. Lamela. By Lamela. So, ito yung gagamitin ko kasi super bright. Radio Gaga. Ito yung napili kong shade kasi it's more on red. And paglalagay din ako ng gloss, I'm going to use this Clover Beauty Lackluster Gloss in the shade New Flame. And naglalagay din pala ako guys ng freckles. Parang mukhang ano tayo no? Tano. Going to use this eyebrow pen by Evergreen from freckles. So I think I'm done with the makeup look. Guys, now ng onti guys and a little massage for you. And I will be back.
I begin to
So that's all for today guys. I hope you like this look. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe turn on the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next video upload ko. And thank you again, Retro Beauty, for giving me these products and that I use. So thank you so much. More blessings to come and more power to your brand. So thank you guys for watching. I love you.